Hey everyone, welcome back to another lesson. So back to the Turtle graphics library, we're going to create another simple project here to get ourselves more familiar with, the Turtle library. In this case, specifically, we're going to talk about the pen control. So our goal here is to create a simple graphic that, is going to draw a line back and forth like this. So that's basically what we want to create in this video. Again, very simple. I see it's just gonna draw a line like this. So think about how you can do this. And again, I'm just giving you the guide here. You want to use the pen up and pen down method, right? So basically, again, if you go to the documentation again, you're gonna be able to see pen up, pen down, or PD, PU, however you want to use it. And you can actually create something like this. It's very, very simple, but go ahead and create it. Go ahead and have it move, for example, 100 units, and then have it pen up, pen down, and draw a line like this on the screen. So pause the video and try to actually achieve this. All right, so hopefully you try to do this. If not, it's okay. Let's go ahead and actually create this. So I'm going to use a for loop again, and I'm going to actually make this a little bit longer. For example, we're going to make this, 10. All right. So now let's go ahead and actually create this. So first of all, the first thing we want to do is we want to have it move forward a little bit, right? So I'm just going to say Tim forward 10. So if I actually run this by itself, it's just going to run forward, right? Because again, we're repeating this 10 times. Basically what is happening is that this is just going forward 100 times in a sense, right? So it's a 10 times 10, right? So, but obviously that's not what we want to do. We want to do a few other things. We want to have a pen up. So I'm going to say tim.pen up. All right, so just like that. And we're going to have 10 units here. Or actually not have anything. Sorry, my bad. So now next is we're going to move forward again. So Tim forward, and we're going to maybe have 10 here again. So what is going to happen is that we're going to basically go forward 10 units, and then have pen up, and then go forward again, and then go Tim for pen down. So just like that, we're basically creating this line that I just showed you. So take a look. Very, very simple, right? So what happened is that, we have a for loop that repeats 10 times, and 10 times repeats this code basically 10 times. So it goes forward and then brings the pen up, and then goes forward again and brings the pen down. So again, this basically draws a line, and then this doesn't draw a line, and then again goes back to pen down, and then draws the line again. Back and forth, right? So it's a loop. Or yeah, so just like that, guys, we created this. Again, very simple. All you got to do is just get familiar with the library here, and when you do that, you can create a lot of interesting stuff. You can even do the pen color, fill color. We're going to talk about this stuff as well actually in next projects. But yeah, so you can do a lot of interesting stuff. So I just wanted to kind of share this with you guys. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. I see we even used the code in the previous lesson, so it really didn't have to change that much. And that's like, again, one of the beauties of the object-oriented programming. And when you use libraries, you don't have to really change too much. Anyways, let me know if you have any questions, guys. If not, I'll see you in the next one.